wanna fight on tussle. I'm talking about
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kind of using my phone now because my room is a bit dark. So today, this evening, it's like after 6 in the evening, so I will be unboxing my tripod. So I will leave where I got it in the description, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is the box. It's just a small box, 26 centimeters. So let's unravel this. I don't want to break the box. It's like not coming out and I don't want to break my nails. Alright guys, so let's get this bad boy out. Don't need that anymore. Oh, I pulled it out earlier. So this is the little part you put your phone in or whatever. This part you put it on the end part of here. The tripod, the charger. It doesn't come with the adapter, so you'll have to use an adapter. So I'm gonna set it up and get back to you and show you how it looks when it's fully set up. For the tripod itself, it looks like this. It's pretty short, but it comes with some locks or whatever you want to call it, so you can just extend the foot. See, you just extend out the foot. Don't mind my food. Extend out the foot, lock it, lock it, lock it, and yeah, so you got a pretty long leg. So this is how tall it is. So this part here, this little screw, you screw it on this part. So the here come with a screw that you can attach and detach, whatever. You just screw this and just screw the bottom part under here to get it tightened. Alright, this part here, you just screw it to adjust here, where the light is gonna go, so you can do whatever with it. So for now I just want it straight, so I just set it how I want it and leave it. This screw right here, this one is for this. So once you loosen it, you can move this to this side. So let me show you. You can move it. So if you're doing like a cooking video or nail video, you can just adjust here to bend it to wherever you want it. This part now you can screw it to slacken here, but if it's slack, then it's gonna fall forward or backwards or whatever. So now I'm gonna put on the light on it. The light is this big, like from the tip of my middle finger to my wrist, large. So I'm just gonna screw this here and get back to you. Alright guys, that's how it looks. It got 3 different colors. So remember to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye guys.